So guys, sharing say one more LeetCode camp solving video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving our 401 question. Okay, this is our question number 401 question we are solving in today's video. So get ready for it, and please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So in advance about these type of videos on the channel. So let's move to computer screen and let's solve our 401 question. Okay, in today's video. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's solve our 401 question of the binary watch. So this question will be, this video will be smaller because this is the easy one which we are solving in today's video. In the previous video, we solved the medium one. So in today's video, we are solving the easy one, 401 question. And I think so this diagram, it has been also be given me in this question. So must be, okay, 55.9 acceptance range. So this will be easy one. Okay, because 59% log has been 55% people has been solved it very easily. Yes, so let's drag and drop the question with diagram into our Word file. So let's copy it, and now let's come on our Word file, paste it, and then let me give the font to him. Purpose I'm giving it, you will be give your own font, which any font you will be give it, it's your own choice. Okay, so let's start and let's solve it. So first of all, let's see, binary watch has a 4 letters on the top to represent and the hours 0 till 11. Here you can see it, 0 till 11. This one binary watch, and 6 letters on the bottom to represent the minutes 0 till 49. On the bottom to represent the, okay, in the bottom there is a, it is represent the minutes 0 till 59 seconds. 59. Each LED represents a 0 on 1 with the least significant bit on the right. Okay. A binary watch has 4 LEDs on the top. Here you can see there are 4 LEDs on the top. So let's do this. And let me give the, not a color I'm giving the red color, red outline to it, and then the outlines will be bigger. Okay, there are 4 LEDs on the top to represent the hours 0 till 11. Okay, and 6 LEDs on the bottom to represent the minutes 0 till 59. Here you can see it, 6, there are 6, and now 6 means these are 6. Okay, not include this m, and this is the hour. Okay, so each LED represents a 0 or 1 with the least significant bit on the right. For example, the below binary watch reads 451. Okay, it reached 451. Here you can see it, 451. So let's come down. This is one diagram. You must see this diagram first of all clearly. Yes. So let's come down. It given an integer turn on which represents the number of LEDs that are currently on ignoring the PM. Return all possible, highlight this all possible times the watch could represent. Okay, it is saying me return all possible times the watch could represents. You may return the answer in any order. In any order we represent the answer, so please highlight it the any order because this is a main word. The hour must not contain a leading 0. For example, like this. Okay, it is saying me this is not valid. Okay, this it should be. It should look like this but not look like this. Okay. Now, the minute must consist of 2 digits and may contain a leading 0. Okay, it is not valid, but it should be valid. Okay, I understand. This is not valid, this is valid. Example 1. In our case 1, here he created our integer by the name of turn on, in which here output has been coming 0, semicolon 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 8, 0, 16. Okay. In our case 1, our output will become like this, and our case 2, the output will become square brackets only. And he created one turn on integer in which he write 9, and in the case 2, the output will become only square brackets. Okay. I think so I understand this question. Okay. So it is saying me it is valid, it is not valid, it is valid, it is valid, and it is not valid. All possible times the watch could represent in any order. We give the answer in any order, And let's see the diagram one more time. This is the hour 4 and this is the minute. Okay, 4:51. Okay, this is an hour and this is a minute. So I understand this is one binary watch. So now I have already explained you the binary watch. Okay, so let's come on over Google and let's solve this question. So first of all, you only want to do it, define your times. So first of all, here we define our times in list. Okay, and then we define for loop in range 12. Why I'm writing for h in range means for hour, h means hour, and in range there are 12 hours, so I'm writing 12. Okay, means 24 hours in the one day, but I'm writing 12 means 12 till 12. Okay, so enter press, then defining for, define one more loop, for loop, in which define m in range means there are 60 minutes. Okay, so for m means 60 minutes. Define homes, and homes it should be in capital, equals to bin h. Bin h means hour, like I have told you, count, then square bracket 1, sorry, single comma, then find homes, then define here mones. Okay, so define bin, then m, then dot count, and then 1. Define here if statement, if homes plus mones equals to num. Define here, okay, homes means hour and mones means minute. Okay, and this if statement we define it, define here times dot append. Append means it will be append two things together. Append, I have already told you in the many videos what is the work of the append method. F curly brackets h, and like this, and then when you define it, f define semicolon, and then m semicolon 0 to t. Okay, and then this semicolon has been coming. So in the last of the code, define here return times. So here we define it, so let's see the code one more time. So okay, define it semicolon, we did not define semicolon in our for loop. Okay, define it, so perfect. And now here we do this, so let's run it. And when we run this code, so let's see our output. So error has been came, name num is not defined. Okay, our name num is not defined. What is the meaning of it? So let's zoom it. Num, here we define if homes plus mones equals to num, then here we define it. Homes equals to num, then here we define times dot append, and then f, then curly brackets h, then semicolon, then m semicolon 0 to d, and then we come on the above section. Okay, I think here we define here num, but erase this and write here num. Here we do not define num, so that's why it is giving me the error. Now let's run it and let's see now. Okay, now let's see. When we run it, okay, here it is accepted. In our case 1 is also be accepted, and our case 2 has been also be accepted. This one binary watch 401 easy question we have solved it in today's video. So let's submit, and then boom, here you can see it, and we come on the top. Here you can see it, we solve in the 0 milliseconds, and we get our top of the section. Here you can see it. Not any people have been top above on me. Here you can see it, I am on the very top. Here you can see it. So I hope you enjoy this video. In today's video, we solve our 401 question of the binary watch, and this is an easy question which we solve in today's video. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel of the LeetCode camp solving video. Then come on to my profile, then click on to my profile. When you click on to my profile, come on to my profile. This is my profile. Here you can see it, and we solved 101 question, and this is my profile. So go and view it, and we easily as we solve our 101 question. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the videos of the LeetCode camp solving videos. Okay, and check my bio and check my profile also, and here you can see it. So now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class of the solving video on the LeetCode camp channel. So but anyways, let me meet you in the next class, next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.